Hey everyone, Extreme Crypto here. Today we'll be looking at crypto.com or the CRO token. We'll be looking at some unique levels to buy and sell your CRO tokens. In this video, we'll cover a unique way to trade the CRO token. We'll look what it's all about and we'll get to these levels everyone is wondering about. These levels is my own calculations using the stock to flow model as an indication. We all know the stock to flow model gives great indication on the levels Bitcoin might reach, and I formulated my own unique way to give us an indication on all these different coins. Bitsgap, it's an all-in-one trading automation platform for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies like the CRO token. Best crypto trading bots, smart algorithmic orders, portfolio, demo trading, everything you need to easily manage your assets within one interface. And the main benefit is Bitsgap uses API keys, so you don't send any of your funds to them. Crypto trading bot for Bitcoin and the CRO token, like other cryptocurrencies. Set automated trading bots on Bitfinex, Binance, Kraken, and over 25 cryptocurrency exchanges. Crypto.com, fortune favors the brave. The world's fastest growing crypto app joined 10 million plus users buying and selling 250 cryptocurrencies at true cost. Spend with the crypto.com Visa card and get up to 8% back. Grow your portfolio by receiving rewards up to 14.5% on your crypto assets. Buy crypto at true cost. Buy and sell 250 cryptocurrencies with 20 plus fiat currencies using bank transfers or your credit or debit card. The only card you need. You enjoy up to 8% back on all spending with the sleek pure metal card. No annual fees. Top up with fiat or crypto. Deposit crypto and earn rewards. Choose from 40 plus cryptocurrencies and stable coins. Up to 14.5 per annum on cryptos. Up to 14% per annum on stable coins. Trade with confidence on the world's fastest and most secure crypto exchange. DeFi made simple. DeFi wallet, your keys, your crypto. DeFi earn, no lockup period and stable returns. DeFi swap, swap DeFi coins and earn triple yield. Cryptocurrency in every wallet. Founded in 2016, a team of 4,000 people, 10 million plus users, and an insurance coverage of $750 million. Looking at the CRO token on CoinGecko, we have to scroll down and we'll find the coin in the 17th position according to market cap, with a trading volume of $121 million in the last 24 hours, with a market cap of just over $12 billion. Looking at the CRO token, it's standing on 49 cents, just under 50 cents. A total supply of 25 billion, circulating supply of 25 billion, and a total supply of 50 billion tokens. Looking at its all-time chart since it's been added on CoinGecko, we can see it started low with around the 2 penny mark and is currently trading just around the 50 cents. Looking at its all-time high price, it reached an all-time high of 96 cents and an all-time low of 1 cent, just over 1 cent. And since then, it's been up 3,983%. Now getting to those key levels. Looking at the key levels, we can see we got a high of $2.47. That's 2.5 times its previous all-time high. Looking at these levels, we got 4 levels with all-time highs. We're starting at $2.47, $2.03, $1.40, $1.24, 96 cents, 75 cents, and 61 cents. Now looking at unique buy opportunities, the 44 cent mark, the 42 cent, 37, 31, 27 cents, 23 cents, and a low of 16 cents. Now this is unique buy opportunities. If the market drops down below this, there's a great opportunity to see massive gains. Leave me your thoughts and concerns and your predictions. What prices the CRO token will reach. Have a great one. Enjoy.